Hello, this is just a very quick video just to show you how I've got my little garage just set up just to make some YouTube videos, just on radios. All I've got is simply just a bench at the end of the garage. As you can see on the top shelves, I've got radios and all sorts of bits and pieces there, and simply just two crude lights that have just been angled correctly, and the actual camera is clamped in a vice. It's just a simple digital camera. All I'm trying to do here is just get my foot in the door in terms of starting to make some YouTube videos that perhaps you might enjoy. But the point I'm trying to make is you don't have to have fantastic setups or fancy sort of cameras and audio equipment, etc. You can simply just have what I've got set up here. As you can see, if I'll just move back just a little bit, you see a little bit more of my garage there. You can see all sorts of bits and bobs and rides. As you can tell, I'm quite into these sort of things. But nevertheless, it's just literally just a setup. Just got the cables and the two lights just into a reel going back to a socket. It is as crude as that, really, and you'd be surprised what you can do with just a little bit of effort and just actually just trying it rather than saying, oh, I can't do this because I haven't got the equipment, or I haven't got this, that, or the other that you need to make all these wonderful videos. And some of the videos on YouTube are brilliant. I mean, crikey, they're really well produced, well sort of edited, everything. But what I'm trying to say is, if you're just wondering about getting into YouTube and thinking, oh, how can I do it? This is me. I mean, this has cost me absolutely nothing other than just a bit of time, bit of patience, and just setting something up and just see if it actually works. And to be honest, once you've done it, you've uploaded it, and you get a few people viewing your videos, it just gives you that sort of inertia to actually go, right, okay, you can now sort of really start to go and put more effort and more content up. And it's great, and it's really, really enjoyable. I just thought I'd share this with you, just so you can see what I do, what I'm about, and actually how easy it is to actually get these up and running. You've simply just got to go, yes, I'm going to do it, and put all the reasons to one side why you can't do it, and just go, I'll give it a whirl. I'm just going to try it, and you'd be surprised what you can do. Anyway, I just thought you might enjoy that, and I'll catch up with you soon.